Hi everyone, welcome to our math lesson for day 3 of this week. Today we are going to keep working with word problems and do a word problem on our Google Classroom as well, okay? So today our big idea is multiplying bigger numbers, and our learning target is I can solve a two-step story problem that involves multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So let's try it together first. Melody bought a sheet of stickers with 2 rows of 5 stickers on it. The stickers cost 6 cents each. How much did Melody pay for the entire sheet of stickers? Yes, Melody, I'm using your name. I am going to try to plug in student's name on our word problems to kind of keep it interesting. I know word problems are not your favorite, but we still have to do them. So Melody bought a sheet of stickers with 2 rows of 5 stickers on it. The stickers cost 6 cents each. How much did Melody pay for the entire sheet of stickers? Well, before we solve, remember we have to think about what the problem is really asking us to find. They gave you a bunch of information, but they're trying to trick you, right? We need to know what exactly they want us to figure out. So if we look back at the problem, the hint that I gave you guys yesterday was to look at the question, the last sentence on that problem. That's typically the question that they want you to find or to solve, okay? So when we read it, Melody bought a sheet of stickers with 2 rows of 5 stickers on it. The stickers cost 6 cents each. How much did Melody pay for the entire sheet of stickers? If you notice, I've read the problem 3 times now. Sometimes you guys have to read a word problem more than once to understand it because word problems are tricky and they're not easy to solve. So let's see, what is it trying to figure out? What does it want us to figure out, right? Is it A, how much did Melody pay for the entire sheet of stickers? Or B, how many stickers Melody bought? Or C, what kind of stickers were bought? So we look back at this sentence at the question, how much did Melody pay for the entire sheet of stickers? So our answer is A. You're right, A. Now let's write an equation. So here we have our problem again. Melody bought a sheet of stickers with 2 rows of 5 stickers on it. The stickers cost 6 cents each. How much did Melody pay for the entire sheet of stickers? What we need to find is how much did Melody pay for the entire sheet of stickers, the total cost. So first we need to figure out how many stickers there are. So that would be 2 times 5 for the 2 rows of 5 stickers on it. We have 2 groups of 5, so 2 times 5. Then we need to figure out how much each of the stickers cost by multiplying the total by 6. So then that equation would look parentheses 2 times 5, parentheses, and then times 6. Remember that when we don't have a math symbol here, that means we multiply. But first we need to do what's in the parentheses and then you multiply with the number outside. Okay, and then it equals G, meaning the G would stand for the sticker's cost, okay? So remember that the letter stands for the unknown part of the number that you are trying to figure out. So time to solve, we have 2 times 5 times 6. So if we think about them, they would be like this. So 2 times 5, so we have two columns of 5, and they're each 6 cents. So first we solve 2 times 5, which would give us 10. And then we do 10 times 6, which would give us 60. So our answer is 60 cents. So if we don't know what 2 times 5 is, we could skip count, right? We could do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Or we could do 5, 10 to skip count. Or we could, and then for 10 times 6, we could skip count by 6, but I feel like that would be harder for us instead of doing 6 groups of 10, right? So 10 times 6 would be 60. Now, what do I need to do? So now you need to go to Google Classroom. You'll solve a story just like this. First, you'll figure out what it's asking you to figure out. Then you'll pick an equation that matches it. Finally, you will solve it. So let's go to Google Classroom. You'll find your announcement for the day. So it is Wednesday, April 15, and we have 5 steps. So your first step is to watch the video. I have included Wednesday's announcements. Remember, these are the announcements from Ms. Nonis. So if you click on that link, a video should show with her announcements. Okay, that is our morning announcements. Then you have an attendance question, and you have to complete the word problem. Remember, you always have an attendance question and you always have an assignment. Once you do all this, and you also log into CERN, you should be completing 1 lesson a day. Remember that we are still having the raffle for this week. So you need to have 4 lessons completed by the end of the week. And I also included music, or I'm sorry, this is for your special. So you have music today, so you need to click on the music link. And once you click on it, it will take you to this. Okay, so it's going to take you to lesson 4, which you have 3 days to accomplish it. We have a message from Ms. Nonis, and then you have to find your grade level. So here it has your grade. So you would have to watch all of these videos. Okay, that's for music. And then I also included a timer link and your relaxing music link at the bottom. So in case you want to listen to relaxing music, you can click on that, or if you want to have a timer on your screen, you can do that. So now let's go on to your classwork. And remember, your classwork is going to look a little bit different. Now we have different tabs. Again, you have your login information, so you'll look for your name and it has your login sheet. But then you can click on your attendance question, which today your attendance question is 314 plus 283. So you are going to submit your answer to this math problem. So our attendance question is going to essentially take place of our daily math. So I am going to put a question from our daily math packet that we would do in class on here, okay, for you to solve. So make sure you're not putting your answer on the comments and that you're actually submitting your answer. And for your assignments, yours will be the very first problem, okay, but mine, I have other stuff on here. So multi-step word problem. When completing the 3 questions, make sure to click submit. Tip, do your work on a piece of paper so you have it, okay? And then this is just Spanish instructions in case you need it. So you'll click on this. It's like a quiz. It's going to have 3 questions. So here is your word problem. Rosa and her dad are arranging chairs for the big party. They put 6 chairs at each of the 5 small tables and 8 chairs at the big table. How many chairs in all? Okay, so then what is the problem asking you to figure out? Is it how many chairs in all or how many tables? So you'll click one or the other. And then which equation best represents this problem? So you'll select the one that best represents the problem. And here you solve the problem. So here are the possible answers. Once you're done, you click submit. But before you click submit, it is asking for your email address. And remember, this is your school email address. So when you have your login sheet, it is the Mapleton username. Okay. Okay, so once you're done with the attendance assignment, then your next step is you can come back to your to-do list and see what your third step is, which it's not going to change. It is your CERN. You need to be completing 1 CERN lesson a day. So let's do some shout outs for those who have CERN lessons. And then also keep in mind that when I do these videos it is a day before you actually see them. So sometimes you guys haven't logged in when I do the video, and so the shout outs might not represent if you completed a lesson that day. Okay. So shout out to Isabel, Austin, Liam, Geraldine, Cindy, and Lexi. Make sure you guys get 4 lessons by the end of the week so that you guys can get entered into the raffle. Also, I had a question today saying that if you guys complete all 4 lessons in one day, do I still have to log in every day? No, you don't need to log in every day once you completed those 4 lessons. Can you? Yeah, that's awesome. I had Alejandra last week complete 9 third lessons. That was great. But you don't have to, okay? Once you reach that 4 lesson goal, then you are fine for the week. All right, you guys will have fun today, and we'll see you again tomorrow.